Breaking news. The gun where them find pan Tommy Lee is linked to 2 murders. And that's the breaking part. Hear the breaking part, you know. The murders that the gun is linked to is one British and rifle. Jaja. We're going to talk about that after this.
Only person I fear are the Skadang cops. They don't want to see no one come.
Yeah, Shadi Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Shadi Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chade Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
My grandmother always tell me, say, trouble don't set like rain. And definitely, this a big rain. This a flood out. So people, according to the police them a say the gun where them take up off of Tommy Lee. Zine, the gun where them find Tommy Lee with in a December, the gun where Tommy Lee get charged for what year? It linked to 2 murder. Me do the story from yesterday. But me never know the part here. The murders where the gun them linked to is rifle and one British murder. Them name then ring a bell. So me read the official report from Nationwide. And the headline says, gun seized from Tommy Lee Sparta linked to Father Fowl and one British murder. Nationwide News understand that ballistic tests have revealed that an illegal gun seized by the police from the waistband of popular dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta was used to murder 2 high-profile members of the British link-up crew in 2019. The test revealed that the firearm was used to kill Owen Clark and Alfonso Harriot. Clark is better known as Roy Fowl or Father Fowl. Harriot, more popularly known as Wani British. Both men were well-known dancehall personalities who for many years were the organizers of the popular British link-up entertainment events in Jamaica and the United Kingdom. Roy Fowl was killed by gunman in February 2019 while he partied at an event near Halfway in St. Andrew. Days later, in March, in March, the same year, one British was killed by gunman on Mountain View. It is understood that ballistic investigations show that cartridge casing and projectiles which were found at the scene of both murders were discharged from the gun which was seized from Tommy Lee in 2020. Tommy Lee never wasted the court time. Tommy Lee did just plead guilty and get 3 years for the gun. But these are some new charges. Some new charges where it look like if him found guilty for, him can be put away for a long time. And then again, if Tommy Lee get off these charges, after him spend that 3 years of prison, when him come back a road, a be a pre-mens. Anyway, still, we have a statement from Tommy Lee's lawyer. I denounce everything. I say, them don't know about Tommy Lee in a nothing like that. But then again, a Tommy Lee lawyer. So them never dare go forward and say, yes, him do it. Anyway, listen what Tommy Lee lawyer, Donahue Martin, has to say.
We're aware. We won't comment beyond saying we certainly have never been involved in any shootings, murders, or any acts of violence. We took responsibility for our actions on a particular day, in that having or being in possession of a firearm, and that is the end of the comments we are prepared to make at this time.
Now me give you the full press briefing. Now it's time for me to make my assumptions. And yes, me are gonna make some strong assumptions. I feel like say them just really want to put with Tommy Lee for good. I don't feel like say Tommy Lee was involved in any of those murder. But then again, he can be. But these are my, assumptions. Alright? Now, I feel like say the police them just a play a game. Them put this in the media. Now, all of the people them were linked with rifle and one British. Them are going to say, well on. So I really Sparta response for that. I really Tommy Lee response for that. So in the event, Zane, Tommy Lee get away from all these things. When Tommy Lee forward back a street, all eyes are going to be on Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee have to look good before him cross the road. Tommy Lee have to have security around him at all times. Because you know say, them brother have some high profile. Well, I read the report already and one of the year what go on already. You see me? So, me feel like now we are in a Jamaica have a photograph big enough to fit this frame. People, a frame, a setup, as we normally call it. But that's my opinion. So you tell me what you think in the comment section below. So before we go, we want to talk about this dancehall artist. This dancehall artist that goes by the name Artist AK. With a name like that, he must be bad enough. And just like how AK a spit bullet, the artist here a spit lyrics. People, wanna check him out.
Yeah. Wish man I here have 3 life. Everyone me got my 3 star. Now I'm in the boy take 3 pints. Driving a Benz if me feel like.
I swear, me don't know where Artist AK get that rhythm here from. That are the first thing me sight in the song. The rhythm bad. And the dog a flow up on the track bad as well. And people, remember, this is a young artist. So him have whole heap of time for grow. Him not grow yet, you know. Matter of fact, him not start grow yet, you know. And for hear him sit down on the rhythm like that and I deal with the track, so we are gonna expect greatness from the artist here. Yeah, man.
Everybody know what I be like. Stay attended, one Gucci and Prada. Nigga like me, not really like the drama. Everywhere me go, me walk with the llama. She in love with the scammer.
People, me I gonna leave a link to this song in the comment section below. I'm wanting to run go over the artist page. Make him know say a Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. See me? A young artist, a new artist. I'm wanting to give the artist the strength. You get what me I say? Don't wait till the artist find one big track. Me not say bad track, you know, cause this track is bad. But when me say big in terms that enough people don't know about this track yet, that's why I promote it right here. So, but don't wait till the artist get on big track. When I say, hold on, Chaddy did that tell me about the artist here? I know me I go check him out. No. Go check out the artist from now. You see me? Give the artist some strength. A matter of fact, me I go leave all the artists Instagram page in the description as well. If you watch my Instagram, me just go tag the artist Instagram page. I want to run go over there and show him some love. A bad song and a bad artist. You see me? You have to start from somewhere, though. Remember say on a overnight me get 19,000 subscribers, you know. Remember say on a overnight me get 19,000 supporters from Instagram, you know. Remember say on a overnight me have over 10,000 followers, or I love to say supporters, over Facebook, you know. Me start at 0. So give the artist I support, give the artist I strength, don't. Artist AK.
Skill like Maridana, Pinkisha and Shoshana. Yeah, take them to Wana. Every girl knows I'm hot like sauna. Yeah. Looking at me ring, diamond on my chain. Give a girl something to go insane.
So that's Artist AK with the song entitled 3 Pints. Zine, run go over there. Go and go support the artist. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic or the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.